What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a fidget spinner review. Alright, let's begin. So as you can see, this one's in the box. It's a fidget gyro spinner. You know, it has never been opened before. So let's see what it's about, guys. Let's get it. It's blue and black. It's plastic. Alright, let's see how good it spins. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is pretty epic. This is a pretty, this one's pretty epic. I mean, listen to it. It's pretty epic. Alright. Time for the next one. Pink metal one. Now, you may be wondering, you know, why do you have a pink fidget spinner? You must be gay or something. I'm not gay, and that's not funny. So don't say that. Spins pretty good, but it has a lot of weight to it. Listen to that sound. Oh yeah. All right, next one. Red one. Just like the blue one, but it like makes like zero sound. Like, such a good one. Overall, great fidget spinner. Okay. This one, guys. My grandparents got this one for me. It has my name on it, Hunter. Like, isn't that epic? Like, come on now. That's an epic gamer moment right there. Look, still says Hunter while it's spinning. It doesn't get more epic than that, guys. Come on. And listen to that sound. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed the fidget spinner review. If you guys would or unboxing, whatever I decide to name this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I got a quick question for you guys. You ever heard of Bofa? Bofa these nuts. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.